In this video, I'll show you how to create a flowchart on ClickUp, and it's very easy. What you do is you first come here and click on View, okay? But just make sure you have selected one of your lists. So I have your project one selected. I'll click on View, and all I need to do is scroll down here and click on Mind Map. So we're going to be visually representing our flowchart. You can name this anything you want. So let's go ahead and name this my flowchart. Okay, that disappeared. It's okay. Just click on the settings cog and we'll name it a flowchart. There we go. All right, perfect. So this is my name. I'll come and click on blank to create a blank, flowchart. And this is going to be the root node, okay? So it's very easy to name this. So let's go ahead and name this flowchart. We can name this anything you want. And then what I'll do, guys, is I'll come here, click on plus. Let's do task 1. Okay, that's our first task right there. And easily change the colors of these nodes. So I can make this one blue. Okay, can change the color for this one as well. So let's say this one is a shade of pink. Next, if you want to create a linked task, what we can do, we can go ahead and click on this one. So this is task 2. This is what it looks like. So it's linked, right? So if I try to move this around, you'll see that it's actually a linked task. Cannot exactly move this around. But if I go and create a new one, for example, right here, if I click on this, then I click on the plus icon. Let's do task 3. I'll show you what you can actually do. So this task 3 right here can easily be moved around anywhere you want. But this one is stuck with task 1, okay, because it is linked, as you can see. These stay together. Now, what I'll also show you to do is if I click on this plus icon to the task, I can create a subtask. So task 1.1, there we go. That is what it looks like. Of course, you can color these as you see fit. And then I can go ahead and show you at the end what this would look like. So this one is linked, as you can see when I click on that. Of course, you can easily zoom out and see what your flowchart would look like. Okay? And there you go. It is really that easy and simple.